You know the problem. Conventional countersinks can vibrate, need high forces, and can slip in the chuck, which leads to surface chatter and a poor finish. With the new countersink SpyroTec from Guehring, this is no longer an issue. With the SpyroTec, you create perfect round countersinks, vibration-free and without chatter marks. You get perfect surfaces and an excellent result. Thanks to the innovative geometry, the SpyroTec is way ahead of conventional countersinks. Whether by hand or on the machine, the SpyroTec impresses in mild steel, wood and plastic, even stainless steel, or when used at full length for reach purposes, it is not a problem. It is your reliable tool for countersinking with the highest demands. Its unique geometry enables the SpyroTec to pull itself into the component. Due to this corkscrew effect, it requires only very low feed forces. Thanks to the longer cutting edges, the tool life is also much higher compared to standard countersinks. The SpyroTec from Guehring is available as single item or as a set with a 90-degree, 60-degree and 82-degree countersink angle, and also with a 120-degree as a special tool. Order the SpyroTec from Guehring now.